Hello, highly esteemed viewers. Welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In today's maths tutorial, we are going to solve for x plus 4 to the first divided by x in this exponential equation, square root of x plus 2 divided by square root of x equal to x minus 4 divided by x. We are asked to look for x plus 4 divided by x. This is going to take a lot of logical reasoning reasoning in order to solve this question. And we're going to see how to solve this question as this video unfolds. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Remember to also click the bell icon so that you can get subsequent updates of my maths Olympiad solution videos once they are uploaded. Now we are going to consider these two solutions. Remember, in these two solutions, these two solutions are similar. We are asked to look for the value of this, and you find out that the only difference between the value of this and the right hand side of this equation is the negative sign. So we are asked to look for x plus 4 divided by x. How do we go about this? If you are given this question, how will you want to go about this? Let's see how the solution to this question unfolds. We're going to pay much attention to the right hand side of this equation. And in the right hand side, we are going to do some manipulations in the right hand side. We are going to transform the right hand side of this equation to give us some certain expression. But before we do that, recall that if I have my x can be equal to square root of x all squared. Remember, because this can still give us what? The value of x. So if I write square root of x to the power of 2, it's still going to give me the value of x. Now, if I take the right hand side of that expression, x minus 4 divided by x, this can be equal to square root of x squared minus, this will be 2 squared divided by square root of what? X squared. Remember, this whole expression will still give me this expression. So nothing has changed. Now, having gotten this expression, this will now be equal to, this whole expression will now give us square root of x squared minus 2 divided by square root of x, because both of them have x squared, all to the power of x. Now remember an algebraic formula. In that algebraic formula, we are given that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So if we apply that to this equation, remember this expression is our a and this expression will be our b. So if we apply that to that expression, square root of x squared minus 2 divided by square root of x all squared will now be equal to square root of x squared, square root of x, a is equal to s, that will be square root of x plus 2 divided by square root of x, right? And that will be multiplied by square root of x minus 2 divided by square root of x. So this is exactly what this expression will give us. At this point, you can come to realize that this whole part now represents the right hand side of this equation. Remember, the initial question was requesting for us to equate this whole part. So we have find the value of this whole part, and this whole part is what is required. So let's bring out this whole part to make the initial equation complete. If we bring out that whole part to make that initial equation complete, this our expression will now become square root of x plus 2 divided by square root of x equal to square root of x plus 2 divided by square root of x multiplied by square root of x minus 2 divided by square root of x. So what do we see in these two expressions? That we have this expression similar to what this expression. So we divide both sides by square root of x plus 2 divided by square root of x. If we do that, this whole expression will give us 1 equal to square root of x minus 2 divided by square root of x. Now, having gotten to this point, we've seen that our left-hand side has given us the value of 1. So what do we do from here? Now, remember that we are going to apply one logic, that the expression, if we square this part, is still equal to what? Squaring these other two parts. So we are going to square both sides. If we square both sides, this is exactly what it's going to give us. It's going to give us 1 equal to square root of x minus 2 divided by square root of x all squared. Now, also remember an algebraic formula. In that algebraic formula, we are told that a minus b square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now recall in this expression that if we bring it back to this expression is a and this becomes b. So if we bring it to that expression, we will now have a square root of x minus 2 divided by square root of x all square will be equal to, this will give us this will become x because when we have square root of x square, this will clear this, and then we'll have x plus 2 divided by square root of x all square, right, minus 2 multiplied by square root of x multiplied by 2 divided by square root of x. So this square root of x will have to clear the square root of x. That whole expression will now give us x plus this will become 4 divided by x minus 2 times 2 will now become 4. And remember, that will be the expression we are going to have. From that initial equation, this is equal to 1. So that expression will give us 1. So we'll divide that, we'll bring in that 1. And when we bring in that 1, this will be the value of 1. So if minus 4 comes this way, remember we are gradually getting our expression. We will have 1 plus 4 to be equal to x plus 4 divided by x. And what are we actually looking for? From our expression, we are asked to find the value of x plus 4 divided by x. So if we go back to that expression, you're going to find out that our solution has finally appeared. And what is our solution? x plus 4 divided by x is equal to 4 plus 5. And 4 plus 5 will be equal to what? 5. So that means x plus 4 divided by x is simply what? Is simply 5. And that is the solution to that equation that is given to us at the initial part of this question. This is all I have for you. Thanks so much for watching and do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics videos.